Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to answer sample terms problems in my MD1. So number 16. This is defined as the cutting time to reach a predetermined wear called the tool wear criterion. Again, this is defined as the cutting time to reach a predetermined wear called the tool wear criterion. A. Wear duration. B. Cycle time. C. Tool life. D. Life cycle. The correct answer is letter C. Tool life.
Why? Because in manufacturing, a tool is considered dead not necessarily when it breaks, but when it no longer produces parts to the required specification. Tool life is specifically defined as the actual cutting time elapsed until the tool reaches a specific amount of wear.
So, on our next problem, which of the following G codes refers to rapid traverse in CNC machining? Again, which of the following G codes refers to rapid traverse in CNC machining? A. G00, B. G01, C. G02, or D. G03. The correct answer is letter A, G00.
Why? Because in CNC programming, G00 is the command for rapid traverse. It is used to move the tool at the machine's fastest possible speed from one point to another while it is not cutting. It is primarily used for positioning the tool before a cut or retracting it after the cut.
On to our next problem. An acronym in CNC machining which means access of the machine operator to insert machining instruction directly into the NC machine control system via push buttons, pressure pads, knobs, or other arrangements. Letter A, FMS. Letter B, FMC. Letter C, CIM, or letter D, MDI. The correct answer is letter D, MDI.
Why? MDI stands for Manual Data Input. It is a functional mode on a CNC controller that allows an operator to type in a single line of code like S1200 M3 M03 to start the spindle and execute it immediately. This is much faster than writing a whole program when you only need the machine to perform a single one-time task.
On to our next problem, problem number 19. The variable polarity plasma arc or the VPPA process was developed for welding materials that form an oxidized skin. Again, the variable polarity plasma arc process was developed for welding materials that form an oxidized skin. A. Steel. B. Copper. C. Cast iron. Or letter D. Aluminum. The correct answer is letter D. Aluminum.
Why? Aluminum is notorious for forming a thin, very hard layer of aluminum oxide on its surface as soon as it's exposed to the air. This oxide layer has much higher melting point than the aluminum itself.
And to our last problem, problem number 20. Which of the following statement is not true? Again, which of the following statement is not true? A. The terms polishing and buffing are sometimes applied to similar classes of work in different plants. B. Polishing is any operation performed with wheels having abrasive glued on the working surfaces. C. Buffing is done wheels having the abrasive applied loosely. D. Polishing is not so harsh an operation as buffing, and it is commonly utilized to obtain very fine surfaces having a grainless finish. Again, which of the following statement is not true? The correct answer is letter D. Polishing is not so harsh an operation as buffing, and it is commonly utilized to obtain very fine surfaces having a grainless finish. This is not true. And that's all. Thank you.